A lot of healthcare systems have really good, apps and so on, but we have healow, and healow is in a lot of ways actually better. It really engages not only with ourselves, but also with multiple groups as well. One nice thing about healow is the longer we are using it, the more beneficial it is for everyone. The engagement and communication with their patients has been fantastic. We ask patients, do you have the healow app? So every time they come and see us, we do have a QR code on the back of our doors and the back of our computer screens, or patients will just pull up their camera app on their phone, see the QR code, and then they'll just get to work. We had one patient who was in Disneyland in Florida, and she's in a wheelchair, and she sent us a message because Disneyland needed permission from her doctor to have essentially a chaperone to be in a wheelchair and to essentially, be at the front of the line. But by sending us a message on healow, in real time, we were able to send a message back saying, yes, this is correct. The patient has cerebral palsy and needs to be in a wheelchair. And please approve her trip to Disneyland and enjoy her trip. It does keep our schedule full, especially for cancellations and no-shows. The more we can work with our patients, the better off, everyone is. And a lot of times, you're sure, we're happy to make that appointment for you. And then patients will say, no, not to worry. I'm making myself on healow, so I'm good. We are always surprised. And we have patients in their 90s who use healow and send us messages back and forth. So I think it's kind of like the diamond in the rough, one of the best kept secrets. And I really think, especially for those in private practice, I think it's a good way to keep our practices ideally engaged. If we're engaged with patients, it'll ideally keep us more secure in the long run.